Regal Beauty in Your Garden, a guide to Lilium Regale. Lilium Regale, also known as the Regal Lily, has captivated gardeners for years with its majestic blooms and intoxicating fragrance. These trumpet-shaped flowers, boasting shades of white, pink, and yellow, add a touch of elegance to any garden. But their beauty isn't the only perk. Regal lilies are surprisingly easy to grow, making them perfect for both seasoned gardeners and beginners like myself. In this guide, I'll share everything I've learned about these captivating flowers, from planting tips to care secrets. Let's embark on a journey to bring regal beauty into your own garden. When to plant Lilium Regale bulbs. Timing is key when it comes to planting Lilium Regale bulbs. They can be planted in either the fall or spring, depending on your climate and personal preference. Here's a breakdown to help you decide. Fall planting. This is the preferred option for most regions. Planting in the fall allows the bulbs to develop a good root system before winter. Ideally, aim to plant 6 to 8 weeks before the ground freezes. Spring planting. If you live in a region with mild winters, you can plant your Lilium Regale bulbs in early spring. However, spring-planted bulbs may take a bit longer to bloom and may not produce as many flowers as fall-planted ones. How deep to plant Lilium Regale bulbs? Knowing the proper depth for planting your Lilium Regale bulbs is crucial. Planting them too shallow can expose them to harsh temperatures, while planting them too deep can hinder their growth. Here's the golden rule. Plant your Lilium Regale bulbs 2 to 3 times their own depth. For example, if your bulbs are 2 inches tall, plant them 6 inches deep. This depth provides the bulbs with the right balance of moisture and protection. How to plant Lilium Regale bulbs. Planting Lilium Regale bulbs is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Choose the right location. Select a spot that receives full sun to partial shade. The base of the plant can benefit from a bit of afternoon shade, especially in hot climates. Prepare the soil. Lilies thrive in well-drained soil. If your soil is heavy clay, amend it with compost or sand to improve drainage. Dig the holes. Use a trowel to dig holes 2 to 3 times the depth of your bulbs, following the spacing recommendations mentioned below. Positioning the bulbs. Gently place the bulbs in the holes, ensuring the pointed end faces upwards. Covering the bulbs. Backfill the holes with soil and water thoroughly to settle the soil around the bulbs. How to grow Lilium Regale. Once you've planted your Lilium Regale bulbs, here's what you need to do to ensure they thrive. Watering. Water your lilies regularly, especially during hot and dry periods. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the plants to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Fertilizing. Feed your lilies with a balanced fertilizer once a month during the growing season, stopping fertilization after flowering. Staking. The tall stems of regal lilies can sometimes bend under the weight of the flowers. To prevent this, provide support with stakes early in the season. Deadheading. Once the flowers fade, remove the spent blooms to encourage further blooming and prevent seed formation. What to plant with Lilium Regale. Lilium Regale pairs beautifully with a variety of plants. Companion flowers. Low-growing perennials like columbine, daylilies, and catmint add color and texture at the base of the lilies. Foliage plants. Hostas and ferns provide a lush backdrop for the elegant blooms. By combining these plants with your Lilium Regale, you can create a stunning and low-maintenance flower bed. With a little care and these simple tips, you can enjoy the regal beauty of Lilium Regale in your own garden for years to come. Happy planting!